Welcome back to this channel, News Headlines in English to speak in School Morning Assembly of 3rd February. And first of all, national news. Anti-Terror Agency NIA carried out multiple raids across Kashmir Valley. 14 Indian migrant workers stranded in Dubai appeal for safe return. Madhya Pradesh balanced hope, disappointment after budget 2026. Contempt petition filed against Madurai collector, senior cops in Deepamro. Air India Ahmedabad crash and fuel switch controversy that followed. Two tigers electrocuted in Madhya Pradesh, nine big cat deaths reported in 2026. And now international news. Peaceful protest across US over persecution of minorities in Bangladesh. Trump reiterated triumphal arc plan, said US deserved biggest fun of all. Top US India industry bodies cheer Union Budget 2026 called for faster executions. Indian origin climate scientist won prestigious Kraft Food Prize in US. And now sports news. Anahat Singh won Madden PSA bronze level title in Washington. Harbhajan Singh has called Pakistan's India boycott decision at T20 World Cup 2026 a drama. News related to business. Gold fell 1.5%, silver rose 1.6% after over 3-week low. Union Budget 2026. No influence of issues with US in customs duty cuts, Nirmala Sitharaman. Chennai got two high speed rail corridors in Union Budget 2026. GAIL targeting to add 85 new CNG stations in next 2 years. India's manufacturing sector activity witnessed slight recovery in January, PMI. That's all in news. Thank you.